Have you ever noticed? Birds sit comfortably on electric wires and still don't get shocked? How is that even possible? The truth is, electricity isn't magic. It only works when a complete circuit is formed. When a bird sits on a wire, it touches only one wire, which means electricity has no complete path to flow. And if there's no path, how can current flow? But if the same bird touches two wires at once, or a wire plus the ground, game over. Simple rule: one wire equals safe. Two connections equals danger. So next time you see a bird sitting on a wire, just remember, science is at work.